The manufacturing landscape is changing. Robots are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are here, transforming how we produce goods. AI-powered robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Imagine a factory floor where robots work tirelessly alongside human counterparts, learning from their experiences, optimizing movements, and predicting potential problems. This is the power of AI in manufacturing. It's about augmenting human capabilities, creating a more efficient, productive, and competitive sector. Advancements in robotics, sensor technology, and data analytics are driving this transformation. Robots are becoming more agile, versatile, and affordable, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. As we stand at the cusp of this new industrial revolution, it's crucial to understand both the immense opportunities and the significant challenges that lie ahead. AI is transforming manufacturing, offering precision, speed, and efficiency that traditional methods can't match. Imagine products assembled with microscopic accuracy, production lines at breakneck speed, and virtually no defects. AI algorithms analyze data in real time, optimizing every stage of the production process, reducing waste, lowering costs, and speeding up production. AI-powered robots work tirelessly around the clock, increasing productivity and improving consistency and quality control. With AI, manufacturers ensure every product meets the highest standards. AI-powered predictive maintenance anticipates equipment failures, minimizing downtime and reducing costs. This is the power of AI to transform not only manufacturing, but also how we maintain and manage our industrial infrastructure. The rise of AI-powered manufacturing is a double-edged sword, promising efficiency and productivity, but raising concerns about human labor. As robots become more sophisticated, they threaten to displace workers in tasks once exclusive to humans. Automation has already led to job losses in sectors like manufacturing, and as AI advances, this trend is likely to accelerate. AI is increasingly capable of performing tasks requiring cognitive skills, such as data analysis and customer service. This shift presents a significant challenge for workers and policymakers. There is an urgent need to equip workers